Hi buddy, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host, April. How's everybody out there doing? I want to show you the stuff that's in the fridge. I uploaded a video, I believe last night or yesterday, where it was empty. This is what it looks like now. So I'm going to show it to you. See? And then look on the sides. I know some people's like, why are we showing your fridge? I just want you guys to see how cool. I've never had a fridge like this before. So yeah, and I'm gonna show you the freezer part. So this is how we close the door. Watch this. And then look at this. And then you just close it. And if there's anybody that's new to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up. I'm sorry about my hair, it's messed up. It's early in the morning. It's 4:29, I believe. This is what the stove says, which I don't really believe. But if you're new, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye for now.